Hey everyone, I'm Ryan, and today we're going to be talking about reading and writing. I know you all probably learned about reading and writing in elementary school, but what you might not have learned is that the way you read on a web page isn't the same as the way you read a book. When we read books, we read them word for word. But when we're scrolling through a web page, more often than not, we are rarely reading word by word. That's the main difference between reading from a book and reading on the internet. On the internet, we're quickly scanning the page. The average site or page on the internet doesn't only have text, it also has multimedia, like photos and videos, and links to additional content. When we're browsing on the internet, our minds switch to scanning mode, quickly locating the information that interests us. We only slow down to read word by word when we want to consume content more closely. We all read, or more accurately said, scan websites. But how will you, as a website creator and content publisher, write and format for scanning instead of reading? The text on your websites has to be scannable. There are a few things that you can do to make the pages and posts that you publish easy to scan. Keywords can be highlighted so that people know exactly what you want them to focus on. Hypertext links, which are often in a different color from the rest of the text that surrounds them, also serve as a functional way to highlight and draw attention to the words of your choice. You can also employ different fonts and colors to emphasize keywords or phrases. One way that users can scan sites is by going paragraph by paragraph. Having meaningful subheadings will make a distinction from paragraph to paragraph. It's key to have one idea per paragraph so that anyone viewing your page can scan and find the paragraph they're interested in. Users will most likely skip over any additional ideas if the first few words in the paragraph don't capture their attention. We don't always know who's put down the information that we're reading. It's important to increase your credibility as a website creator so that potential readers will trust the information we place on those pages. But how? By having high quality graphics, good writing, and outbound hypertext links. Having links to other sites shows that you've done your homework and that you're not afraid of having readers visit other sites. People don't like a marketease, a promotional writing style that uses boastful, subjective claims like the hottest ever. These kinds of boastful, subjective claims make readers question the credibility of the content on your page because they want to get straight to the facts. So, give them earnest information that they can trust. Adopting a marketee style is the least effective way to improve your writing for the web. Instead, use concise text, employ a scannable layout, and use objective language. The next time you write a paragraph, test out these 3 tips. For concise text, try cutting out half of the word count of the paragraph, keeping only the most important information that communicates the message. For a scannable layout, use bullet points and lists to make the text more scannable and quick to read. For objective language, use words with neutral connotations instead of subjective, boastful, or exaggerated language. The most effective web writing employs a combination of these 3 improvement methods. While writing the text on your websites or pages, use concise, scannable, and objective language. That way, your audience will waste less time, remember more of your content, and enjoy your site much more. Now that you have this knowledge under your belt, you're ready to write for scanning and not just reading. I'm finished. Go write.